Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, March 26th, and I want to take a look really quick here at crude oil. Talk a little bit about why pivot points or turning points in the market are so important. If you look here, we actually had a bullish setup. If you go and you look at the end of day video from yesterday for all the members of Basecamp Trading, we said we were bullish crude oil and bullish RBOB as long as we stayed above 58 and wanted to see them climb today. Well, that's what we ended up getting. We jumped very well, but one of the reasons that we had this bullish bias was due to what we call around the stops. Around the stops occurs when we have these pivot lows down here where the market's been rejected from about 52.30 area. And yesterday we broke through it. Immediately after breaking through it, we turned right back around and closed up. So instead of breaking down and running like you're supposed to see on a support break, it did the exact opposite. So it showed an unwillingness to sell off, which that's a big round of stops and says, hey, watch for the market to move the opposite direction. We then proceeded to rally. And if you were in the trading room today, we said we had a target of about 60.39, 60.40, right up below the previous daily pivot high. We actually went to a high of 38, 60.38, tagged that support almost to the tick, and then have since retraced back down from there about 50 or 60 cents. But one of the things we look at to determine these targets and to determine support and resistance and watch for false breakouts and things like that are these big pivot points. So my whole point with this is to make sure you keep an eye out for these large pivot, these large turning points in the market where price has been rejected from, because the way a market reacts when coming in contact with or breaking through one of those support resistance levels is very telling on how the market's going to react over the next several hours or several days, depending on the time frame that you're looking at. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. It really helps the channel out, helps us get more exposure when you hit that like button. So don't forget to hit the like button. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.